What are discount points and when does it make sense to pay discount points? Well, first of all, one discount point is equal to 1% of whatever the loan amount is that someone's borrowing. So a $400,000 loan would mean that one discount point is $4,000. The discount point is paid at the time that you close on the property as part of your closing costs, and it's used to buy a lower than market interest rate. But when does it make sense to actually pay points? Well, for one, you need to know how long you plan to keep the mortgage that you're obtaining, because the cost needs to justify the savings, or actually the savings need to justify the cost. So the discount point needs to save you enough money monthly where you can recoup the cost of that discount point within a reasonable amount of time. And in most cases, the amount of time you plan on keeping the loan. So if you plan to refinance in 24 months from the time you get the mortgage, and it's going to take 36 months to recoup the cost of the discount point, it really doesn't make financial sense to pay that discount point. Now, the only time it does make sense to pay discount points, even if it's going to take longer than the amount of time you plan to keep the mortgage to recoup the cost, is if you need to buy that lower rate to qualify for the home. In some cases, you might not qualify to buy the property you want with the current market interest rates, and the only way to qualify is with a lower than market rate that would cost points. Now, the cost of the points can be paid by you, or you can get a seller credit from the seller of the property to help pay for those discount points. But either way, there are cases where paying the points makes sense, even if you don't plan to keep the property long enough to recoup the cost of the points. Now, if you're looking to buy and you want to discuss some other options pertaining to interest rates and points and just some temporary buy downs to the interest rates that might be available, please reach out to my team and I. We're always available. Brandon Brodsky, Reach Home Loans, 954-478-8366.